Hello everyone, welcome back to Indiana Kayak Fishing Journal. The footage I have for you today is from Saturday, July the 27th. Kelly and I got out to do some smallmouth bass fishing from the canoe. We fished a nice long stretch of river. We are fishing crankbaits and swim baits most of the day, and that's what we had most of our luck on during this particular trip. We had a great day. We caught quite a few fish. I hope you guys enjoy the footage. Yeah, it's a nice one. He's pretty, like nice and bronze. You want me to let him go?
Yeah, sorry. Yep,
okay.
You can let him go.
You don't want to touch him or hold him?
No, I'm good.
They're pretty fish.
It is pretty, yeah.
So those nice bronze colors on them.
Yep.
Beauty. All right, let's get him right back. What?
Does that feel nice?
Mm-hmm. Just that little shade. Yes, it does. Feels excellent. You know what would feel better is, oh, that right there. Oh, he's small.
Were you gonna say if you could catch a fish?
He's bigger than I thought, actually, but he's not huge or anything.
Yeah.
He's better than I thought at first. I thought he was real small.
Yeah.
You know, it'd feel better is if I got whacked by a fish. Bam! Yep, little guy. Beautiful little smallmouth, though. Send him on his way.
That's a nice one.
That's a pike. That's a pike.
Okay.
You're all right. If you got him hooked still, you're probably gonna get him. Yeah, it's definitely a pike. Just pull him nice straight in. Little guy. I was like, he's long and skinny. I ain't no smallmouth.
Yeah.
Yep, a little pikey pike. Just a little guy. Decent, yeah. With a largemouth. That's why he's not fighting like crazy. Green bass. There he is. Little fatty. See ya. Well, if we get down here and they come down and pass us, oh, theirs feels like a good fish. Oh yeah, nice one. I'll try to land this guy. Nice one. He's not huge, but he's decent. Oh! Oh, he made one last run right when I was gonna net him. And I thought he was gonna get the hooks into the net. Yeah, decent one. Go back into your spot.
Yeah.
Yeah, another decent one. Not giant, but
No.
Another nice one. Send it back. That was a great first jump. Dang, he was 4 feet in the air. Good one?
Yeah.
Yeah, nice one.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's a really good one. We got him.
Yep.
Nice.
Yeah.
It's a good fish.
I got 3 about that same size.
Yeah. Can't even see it. Oh yeah, it's a little crop duster.
Yeah.
Yeah, nice fish.
Yeah.
Look how dark they are.
Yeah.
They just look so pretty out of here. All right, let's put them back. Yeah, that's probably 16 or 17.
Yeah. I said I've gotten 3 now about that same
He's not
size.
massive. Oh, largemouth. Big old largemouth. Oh, damn it. I was reaching down for the net and he came off. I didn't get a good hook set on him. That was a big largemouth.
Yeah, it was.
That was a couple pounder.
Yeah.
Damn. Is he big?
Oh, there's a big one behind it. Kyle, throw in, throw in.
Oh.
He's spooked.
Yep, you saw the boat. He's right there. Hold on. Hold on, hold on. Let me try to get a cast on him. I can still see him. Damn. Yeah, that was a nice one right with him.
Yeah.
Okay, bring him in. Damn it. Yep. Not a bad one, but yeah.
That other one was definitely bigger.
He's significantly bigger. He wasn't a huge
No.
one. It wasn't a 20-incher, but it was
No.
a nice one. There's always a bunch of gar up here, like right here, where the weeds are at.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
The other
There's you.
fish. That's a nice one.
You said a nice one?
Decent.
Yep. He not bad. Not bad, not bad. Smally. Come here, bud. Yeah, he's bigger than I thought.
Yeah. Well, I think I got my wish of just kind of crushing them almost.
Yeah, he's not bad. He's not a giant.
No.
He's pretty. See you, dude. Oh, that's a big fish.
Oh, yeah, that's a nice one, Kyle. Oh, that's a good one.
That's a giant. Come on, stay hooked, bud.
Wow.
He's not as big as I thought, but he's a good one.
Oh, he's a big one.
When I first saw him, I thought he was a 5-pounder. He's just like a 18.
Still?
Wow.
Biggest one of the day, I think.
Oh yeah, that's a good fish. Ooh, those hooks are sharp.
Yeah. It's not as big as I thought.
No.
Still a nice one.
He's probably a 17.
Yeah.
17 or an 18. That's a good fish. Send him back. Nice one? No?
No.
He's moving a lot of water at first. Okay. All right, little guy.
Right at the back of the spot.
There you are. There you go. Back in your spot. Well, that thing's not looking too good already.
Well, I used it already.
Yeah, it doesn't take very long, especially when it's already used to start with.
Yeah. There's another one. This one's pretty good. I haven't seen it yet.
Okay, let me grab the net just in case.
Oh, yeah, that's it.
Big one?
There's a one. Yeah.
Okay. Oh yeah, that is a pretty good one. Nice. Got another good one. Let some line out. Beautiful bass. Yeah. That's a nice smallmouth. Yeah, he's every bit as good as that the one that I caught.
Yeah.
Hold on a second.
Okay.
Yeah, good fish. That's probably an 18.
Here you go, bud.
He's good.
Down to the bottom.
Yeah, he's good. He's fine. Didn't hurt him too bad. I mean, threw the hook in the net, so it's not like he was hooked crazy.
Yeah.
Now, even though we were bass fishing, this particular stretch of river seems to have at least a few northern pike in it, so on occasion you will run into them. I had actually ran into this fish that I'm about to show on a previous trip. I stumbled into this spot and spooked it, and it was like a nice 35-inch northern pike. And then on this day, with Kelly with me, we also ended up spooking that fish in the exact same spot. We fished downstream for about another hour, and then as we were coming back up, I made sure that Kelly took a bunch of casts in there with a swim bait to try to get a shot at this fish, even though we didn't really have gear necessarily for northern pike, but it'd be great to get a shot at it and would have made for a great bonus fish. I'll just let the footage speak for itself to show you what ended up happening next. Get a couple more over there, yeah, just in case.
Downstream left and just a little bit.
He was a beast.
Oh, there he is. Oh my God. Oh God, Kyle. Oh.
You missed him. He had it, didn't he?
Oh my God, that was a huge pike. He did.
He had it.
Oh
How
my
did
God.
you didn't hook him? He just nipped at it.
Oh, holy cow.
Oh,
That got my heart racing.
what happened?
I don't know. It just he had it in his mouth. I tried setting the hook and he just
It pulled out of his mouth.
Yeah.
Dang. It's a big one.
Cow.
It's a big
That
fish.
is a big fish.
Yeah. Now that ended up being an unlucky turn of events. Even though the fish ate the lure, Kelly just set the hook and it didn't manage to get hooked. The lure just popped out of the fish's mouth and it was gone. So we missed a nice shot at that fish. It would have made for a great bonus fish for the day. Despite that, we had an awesome day of smallmouth bass fishing. I don't know how many nice fish we landed, but it was quite a few. We didn't land any super giant fish, but we got quite a few fish in that 15 to 18 inch range, which are always awesome to get. So I said, we had a great day. I hope you guys enjoyed the footage. Thank you to everybody who likes, comments, subscribes, shares these videos. I really appreciate it. I will see you guys on the next one.